Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to fulfill orders on CJ Dropshipping. So first, log in to your CJ Dropshipping account and go to the order section. Then find the order you want to edit and click the edit button next to it. Check the details of your orders to make sure everything is correct, such as delivery address, product variant, and quantity. Then choose the shipping method and courier you want to use to complete the order. If you'd like to add any special instruction or comments to your order, you can do so in the remarks box. After you have checked and confirmed all the information, click on the send button to complete your order. CJ Dropshipping then processes the order and ships it to the customer. So that's it. That's how to fulfill orders on CJ Dropshipping. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.